is all about facial mask. Now when it comes on to facial mask, there are a wide variety of facial masks. You have skin brightening, skin tightening, anti-aging, hydrating, refreshing, you name it. So today we're going to make 3 facial masks. I'm using one main ingredient in all these facial masks, and these masks are going to have to tighten, brighten, lighten, lift, and firm the skin. So if you're interested to see how I use one ingredient to create 3 different facial masks, follow me to the kitchen. I'll share the recipe really quick. I will also share a few tips on how best to use them on your skin. Now take a look at the yogurt I'm using today. It is a plain unsweetened yogurt. Now it doesn't matter what type of yogurt you use once it is unsweetened and plain. Now yogurt contains vitamins and minerals that is good for the skin. It contains a B12 vitamin. It also contains folic acid. It also contains zinc and alpha hydroxy acid. An amazing thing about yogurt is that it is water soluble. Water soluble meaning that it dissolves in water. Therefore, when you apply yogurt to the skin, it will hydrate the skin and keep your skin looking younger and healthier. Now I'm using the yogurt to do 3 quick and easy facial masks. So for each, so I'm using a 1/8 cup of a yogurt. Pour this in. For all our facial masks, 1/8 cup or about 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Now for facial mask number 1, I'm going to be using some oatmeal and flaxseed blend together. What I did, I just add a tablespoon of flax seeds to 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, and I put it in a blender and blend it, and now I have a flaxseed oatmeal powder. So I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of the flaxseed oatmeal powder. Pour this in, and once this is done, I'm just going to blend all 3 ingredients together. So we're blending flax seeds, oatmeal, and yogurt, and we're going to mix, and we are going to mix well. Now for this facial mask, it will have to tighten and firm the skin. It will also have to smooth wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. It is very hydrating on the skin, and if you have oily skin, this is amazing since the oatmeal have absorbing properties. Now to use this facial mask, simply apply it onto clean skin, leave it on your skin for 30 minutes, and then you rinse off. This mask is good to use 2 to 3 times per week for best results. There you have your yogurt oatmeal flaxseed mask. And now let's move on to our second facial mask. So we have our 1/8 cup of yogurt, and take a look at what I have here. Here I have some oatmeal and turmeric powder blend together. 2 tablespoons of oatmeal to a dash of turmeric powder, blend it to a powder. And now what we're going to do, we're using 1 tablespoon of the oatmeal turmeric powder blend, and we're going to mix together. We're mixing oatmeal, turmeric powder, and yogurt. Totally blend and blend well. Now for this facial mask, this is a skin brightening facial mask. If you have dull looking skin, if you're looking to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin, this is going to do an amazing job. This is also good for oily skin. What you need to do with this is to apply it to clean skin. So you're going to wash your face the way you normally do, and you're going to take the facial mask, you're going to apply it onto the skin in upward strokes, and next you're going to let it sit on the skin for about 30 minutes, and then you're going to rinse off. This facial mask is good to use 2 to 3 times per week. Store it in the refrigerator for no more than about 5 days or so. And now we have just completed yogurt mask number 2, and we're going to move on to mask number 3. So here we have our 1/8 cup of yogurt, and take a look at what I have here. Here I have some dried orange and lemon peel powder blended together. This contains a vitamin C, which will help to brighten and lighten the skin. Vitamin C also will help to boost collagen production in the skin. For dry orange and lemon peel powder, simply dry your lemon and orange peel. Once it is dried, then you just blend to a powder. So we're going to use about a teaspoon of our dried orange peel powder at this end. And take a look at my next ingredient. Here I have some flour, plain white flour. Flour contains absorbing properties, and it will help to tighten the skin and get rid of the grease from the skin. So I'm going to use about 2 teaspoons of the flour. Pour this in. So here we have dried orange peel, we have yogurt, and we have flour. And now we are going to mix, and we are going to mix well. Totally dissolve. And this is an amazing combination of ingredients. So for those of you who do not have the oatmeal and you have flour, then go ahead and use it. Now, when it comes on the flour, since it's a little bit more absorbing than the oatmeal, we're going to reach for some rose water, which is optional. And we're using only about a teaspoon of the rose water. Pour this in. If you do not have rose water, you can simply just add a little extra water to it, or you can add some fruit juice. And now we are going to mix, and we are going to mix well. So we're mixing flour, yogurt, dried orange peel powder, and a little bit of rose water. Now this is a skin tightening facial mask that is going to tighten the skin. It's good for sagging jawline, it's good for upper lip wrinkle, and it is also good for the deep parentheses, also known as the laugh lines. To use this mask, apply it on clean skin, face, neck, and décolleté. This make a perfect neck mask. Leave it on for 30 minutes. When it is dried, rinse off, preferably with cold water. Pat dry the skin and apply your favorite beauty products. So and here we have 3 amazing yogurt facial masks. Mask number 1, it's yogurt, flaxseed, and oatmeal. Mask number 2 is oatmeal, turmeric powder, and yogurt. And mask number 3 is flour, yogurt, and dried orange and lemon peel powder. Amazing, amazing. Try one, try both, or try all. So there you have it, 3 amazing facial masks. Try one, try 2, or try all. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video.